This is the hive that we're going to split. And they've already got 2 supers on. Let's give them a little bit of smoke. So I like to do splits with strong hives, and at the moment this is a very nice and strong hive, and it's a lovely queen as well. They are quite noisy because it is lunchtime and they're all very busy at the minute. Look at that. So what we'll do, we'll just start from the edge. As a normal inspection, we're looking for the queen. Look at all these colours. Because they need pollen to produce a queen. Alright girls, you're being quite noisy. So first thing, find the queen. And then we're safe to continue to what I want to do. Check to see if we've got eggs. Yep, fresh eggs, larvae. That's a really good frame as well because we've got pollen here. We've got stores at the top. This is a very nice frame actually. She doesn't look like she's on here, and you can't really miss her because she's a gorgeous colour. Really nice colour queen. That is a really nice frame, because what I want are day or 2 day old eggs and then capped brood, because the reason why I want quite a lot of capped brood, this doesn't really need looking after now, it's capped. So the nurse bees can concentrate on the uncapped brood. These will emerge soon and help the hive. So that I'm actually going to take, and we put it in this box. Just keep going through until we find her. So we found the queen, there she is. Beautiful colour. So what we're going to do now is a queen cage. So we put the queen cage on, there we go. Now she won't go anywhere. Now we have free reign of the hive and we can take what we need to. So we'll just pop that back in. And then we'll just go back through. So we've got one frame that's really good. We've got eggs, larvae, we've got pollen and stores. So now I think I saw a really nice frame down here. Brood. We've got a few eggs on there. We've got all stages of brood. Loads of pollen at the top. See another row of pollen. And then on this side we've got more capped as well. So this will really boost the hive and start it off really strong. Both sides are good. So we will take another one of the brood frames. Put that in there. So this is a 4 frame. There's various splits you can do. What I like to do is 2 broods and stores if we've got it. So this frame here that we took out earlier, look at all that pollen. And it's got stores. So we've got all this honey here and honey here. But what I might do is just check the end frame. There we go, that's even better. It's not completely full, but it's much heavier and it's got a lot more stores on it. So that there, we'll actually take. And what I also like doing is taking a frame that has brood on and giving it a little shake over this hive. And that gives a bit more nursey bees to the nook. Do that with this one as well. And then I've got a pretty much drawn empty frame, and we can put that in just to fill them up. So there we go. We've got 1, 2 brood, and then we've got a stores frame as well. Every single frame has pollen on it, which is very important for queens. And then they've got the blank here. Now, what we can do is we can feed them 1-to-1 syrup as well. So we can put a feeder on here, close them up, leave them, come back to the hive in, say, 10 days when they've capped those cells. And I like to select 2 cells. Others select 1, up to you. Or you can go back into the hive, say, around 7 days and see what cells are charged and pick the ones out of those before they're capped. But it's easy as that. Just take frames. You don't need queen cells. They'll make their own. And there you go. Flying bees will head back to the main hive, leaving the nurse bees. Now you have 2 options. You can take this now to a new apiary over 3 miles away with the flying bees. Just lock them up, take them, and then they should be fine. They'll do orientation flights. Or you can keep this in your apiary or in the vicinity, and the flying bees will head back to the main hive. So now we've got our frames, we can release the queen. There she is.